feel that the glue has now cured a little bit, but not maybe fully. Yeah, I think we can work in here, but need to be a little bit careful so we don't kick those battens away. There's still a few spots that I need to install a few battens more in this area where you come in to the van. Also maybe on the edges near the wheel arches that we're gonna have the table and stuff like that. So but yeah, I think this looks pretty good. Nothing too bad. I think I'm gonna now get the heater in. It's -7 was last time I checked. But yeah, I think I'm gonna need some heat in here so it's much more nicer to work.
Hi guys, my name is Hannu and I'm from Finland. Come and join me as I convert this 2006 Iveco Daily to an amazing camper van. There is always an adventure waiting for you, so let's go.
Okay, the garage is full and I think I bought a little bit too much of the timber, but not a big issue because I need to build the shower and the cabinetry and stuff like that, the bed framing, and I don't know how much. These are not too heavy, but also these are not the lightest one. These are dead straight and these are dry. You can cut these and make these a little bit smaller, like half of these. It's gonna be strong enough for us, yeah, for the bathroom area, and that's good. So we have enough timber for that. In here we have 3 9mm plywood, and these we can use for the flooring, and behind them we have the ceiling and the wall materials. Now I need to take all of these out from here and I need to cut them to size. I'm gonna treat these so they don't get any mold if the moisture gets into the subfloor of the van. But yeah, now I need to take these out. We have everything on our way, of course. Let's see here. 175. 175. So first I'm gonna cut straight line, throw it in the van and see all the little notches and stuff we need to follow. Yeah, let's go outside. Fits pretty good. Now I need to trace this area for the step. 7, 14, then 8. Let's get the glue. Okay, so I cut the first piece of the insulation in here. Gonna fit the floor in here, and I'm going to glue it down on these little grooves. I'm gonna fill them, and then I'm gonna lay the insulation board on top of that. Okay, now the first piece is in, and yeah, I'm gonna continue the work towards the front, so maybe I get the next one done today. Last section of the floor, have the last piece of insulation board in here, so the last 120 centimeters to go, and then the whole floor is done. Okay, now that the floor has now insulated and we have the top layer of plywood on top of that insulation, we can start to build the shower area. So here we have the shower tray, and now this have a film to protect the surface, so we need to peel that off before do our final installations. 80 centimeter wide and 1 meter long, and now we have the hole for the drain in here, but also we have the diesel tank, this very edge of the van. So I think we cannot install this shower tray at the drain hole on the side of the van. I think it needs to be on the center point of the van. So we might need to install this somehow like this. This is going to be somewhere here.